Oh god.
Well, mayhem. Mayhem happens. Holy shit.
Thanks for the shield, Sam.
Doesn't last long though. I hit one of the trees.
I have something that says rebuild A1. I did it.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go buy this.
Yeah. There's another one over here.
I got one of the trees.
Okay, see.
Oh, rebuild the house. It says in the corner, rebuild the
Get
beacons.
found the Halcyon beat.
We're at 3 out of 4 out of 7.
Oh crap. There's a boss.
Oh shit, look at that guy.
Oh yeah.
Are you going to bed, Speedy? He's immune. What the hell?
What? Oh, we probably gotta rebuild it. Yeah?
I think there's another one over here.
I have a beacon, I just have money for it.
Yeah, I need.
I love you, Speedy. I love you. Sleep good, okay? We'll see you tomorrow.
Got it.
Nice. Okay.
5 and 7.
I can buy the next one.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, yikes. If anybody sees it, ping it.
Sees what?
On the next one.
It's over
I
here.
think I might see it.
Or one more.
It's right on me.
I got enough.
Okay, yeah, so the boss is taking damage now.
As am
Going to engage. Run away!
Let's go with it. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
I almost died right there. Watch out for his laser beam, dude. Recall, and you're getting
shit,
dangerously low.
I know. I'm running. Oh, I got fruit. I used it a little bit.
He immune again? We gotta do beacons again.
Oh,
Shit, you're right.
okay, I'm going to buy one. Crap.
Bought one.
I bought one. I bought two. I almost have enough to buy a third.
I bought one. Need 2 more.
There's one right here, but I don't have enough to buy it.
I almost.
Oh shit.
I'm getting close to buying one.
I almost have enough.
Same.
There's another one somewhere, guys. That's only 5.
I'm right by one.
Okay, where you at?
I got it. Oh, that one's our bot.
I remember they can be in the water, so they
Yeah.
might be underwater. What is this? There's something over here.
Is that one already got right there? Nope, I got it.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, engage. Oh, is he already in? Okay, no.
Same. Oh, I'm dead.
They're calling.
I'm dead. Damn it, man. Ooh, careful.
Shit. Run! Run!
Okay, we gotta do the beacons again.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, shit.
I'm out.
2 are left.
Corey, we have to do this, man.
Boys.
One in the water, kind of straight ahead to your left, right there, yeah.
We're missing 4 of them. There's one right there.
Yep.
Found 3 of them.
Alright, one more.
One more somewhere, huh? Probably in the middle of all this. Right here.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm engaging right now.
He's over halfway down. Oh shit.
Oh,
Am I all the way there?
they blasted you up in the air.
Don't die, Corey.
Got careful, I was too close to him, and that was my end.
I was like running
Yep.
to recharge my life and
Just you, Mally. Just you.
I couldn't.
Oh my god,
heal
it's
enough.
moving.
yeah, I was trying to get away in one of those little ground explosions.
This is the ultimate carry.
We'll see.
I didn't hit Q soon enough. I thought I had like a split second.
Where are you going?
We gotta go look for beacons.
There's,
Oh, gotcha.
there's a pile of them right here. There's one here, one to your left, and then one
Two.
immediately to the right. Yeah.
But I'm ready to go start killing guys because I'm
Go
out of
by
money.
you.
You're out of gold, man.
Yeah. You don't have a Q ability?
Nope.
Hey, there's something behind you. To your right now. There's a blue thing back there.
Oh, I already opened that.
Oh,
It was just a banner. Kinda sucked.
well, banners are helpful, but I don't know how they help with, like melee characters.
Not very well, I can tell you that.
Oh,
Oh my
your
gosh.
health
Wow.
was at 9.
That was close.
my gold is at 556 though, Corey.
I see that. Oh, there's the one to your rock to your right. If you ping it,
I
that
still
way.
need
Can't
more
afford
money
it
though.
yet.
I know you can't, but
And I still have 4 more to
Oh,
buy.
shit. Oh, shit.
oh, there's a dude standing on that beacon.
He's over here.
Protector.
Kill me, please.
Ooh. Hello.
Oh god.
Alright, you'll have enough for a couple beacons now.
Oh yeah, holy crap.
I don't know how I got all that.
You must have killed the whole wash of them when you jumped in there.
Oops. Didn't I jump wrong?
Those golem laser turrets are like full auto. So many of them.
Mhm.
Two more, and I need more money again.
One right. Oh yeah, you can't.
Oh, ouch, ouch, ouch.
Oh shit.
I need to stay out of the range of that guy.
Somebody jumps into the range of that guy.
What? What are you talking about?
It's just a ranged melee attack. I was just giving crap. Like that.
Well, you can escape the range of that. They can cover the map with that.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh crap. Oh
Jeez,
crap.
that's it.
Man.
Damn.
That was.
Shoot, man.
Speedrun?
So is this a
Trying to get the
speed
box?
round?
Speed run.